Hello, welcome to question 23. We have 1 on 3 into bracket k minus 4. Let me write that 4 well. Then minus 1 on 2 into bracket k plus 1 less than 1 over what 6. So if I have that as this is an inequality that involves fraction. To be able to free the constant we are looking for, the variable we are looking for, we need to clear the fractions by multiplying through by the LCM. So the denominators are 3, 2, and 6. Their LCM is going to be 6. So we multiply. So we multiply through by 6. I'm not going to show the multiplication. Just when you multiply here by 6, this will go into 6 two times. So we are left with 2 into bracket k minus 4. When you multiply here by 6, 2 into 6 3 times, times 1. They still have 1 out there to multiply. K plus 1, then less than what? 6 multiplying this will give you only what? 1. As in 6 cancelling 6, 1 times 1. So the next is to open the bracket. 2 times k. That will give you 2k. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times k, 3k. Negative, this is negative 3. So negative 3 times 1, negative 3 less than what? 1. So here we group items. I can see this is k, constant, constant. We shift them all together. So this is going to be 2k. This is minus 3k because they are still on the same side of the inequality sign. So they maintain their individual sign, positive, negative. Then less than 1 maintain a sign. This become positive 8. This become positive what? 3. And you can see that 2 minus 3, that is a negative 1 times k, negative k, less than, I think this become 9, so we have what? 12. But what do we need? We are looking for k as a positive value. So we multiply or divide both sides by the negative 1, which is multiplying it. So as we have negative k divided by negative 1, here is less, become greater than 12 divided by what? Negative 1. So k become greater than negative what? 12. The sign changes when we multiply or divide by a negative number. I know your question is why. If you want to know why, check the playlist on YouTube and linear equations and inequalities. There is an episode dedicated for this, why we change the sign from less than to greater when you multiply or what? Divide. So looking into the options we have, this is going to be the best option as the option what? D. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.